Septic systems can look fine on paper, but still be a total disaster underneath, and not knowing this before buying a house can cost you big time. So here's the deal. If you're buying a place with a septic system, always get a proper flow test done. This test checks if the drain field is actually working, not just if the tank passes a basic inspection. Don't just trust a visual check or a quick scope that only goes a few feet in. Make sure the whole system is in good shape. Keep an eye on the inlet and outlet baffles inside the tank. They can get clogged with debris and cause backups. Know where your drain field lines are, especially if parts are buried under driveways or landscaping, because any damage there can mess up your whole system. Roots and sand can fill those pipes over time, making them useless, so ask for an inspection that includes a camera check of all lines. If the tank has settled or cracked, it can break pipes inside, so don't skip a thorough look at the tank's condition. Lastly, watch out for any landscaping or structures installed over drain fields. Those can cause serious problems and get expensive to fix later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is skipping the flow test before buying a home, which leads to hidden drain field failures that cost thousands to repair. Another common issue is not identifying where the drain field lines are, especially if they're buried under driveways or heavy landscaping, causing unseen damage like crushed pipes or root intrusion. A third problem is ignoring signs of tanks settling or broken pipes near the tank, which stops wastewater from flowing properly and causes backups inside the house. To fix these, insist on a full flow test before purchase. Locate and inspect all drain field lines carefully with a camera, and check the tank for cracks or damaged fittings around the inlet and outlet pipes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know septic systems inside and out, so you don't have to stress about inspections or repairs. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business.